Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore the Neve WordPress theme and learn how to import and customize its 100 plus free starter templates that work perfectly with Elementor Builder. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a beautiful professional looking website in just a few minutes. First go to the WordPress dashboard, then click Appearance, then click Theme. Here click Add Theme, then search for Neve. Okay, Neve, this is the theme we are going to install. So let's click Install, then click Activate. Okay, now the Neve theme is installed. It having more than 100 plus free starter template with Pro as well. So first click, let's start with starter template. So click this one. So it will ask some questions. So let's give news website. Okay, now it will give the news website starter templates. You can see there are a mix of Pro and free are available. So this one is free, this also free. So there are a lot of free templates available. So once you click this free, it will display you all the free templates available here. So there are default one, market agency, web agency. There are several kind of free templates available. There are more than 100. So you can scroll down and you can select your preferred template. So let's import a new theme. So let's click this news. So once you click this category, it will give the mix of Pro and free. So you have to select the free from the pros. So this is a Pro and this one free, this Pro. Like that, it will show you the mix. This one is free, this one free. Let's import this theme. So click this one. This is a new site. You can see it's a very beautiful blog template. If you want to upload the logo, you can upload here, or else you can do it later. You can change the theme color. If you want to turn it back, you can click this default. So let's click continue. So here by automatically it will select the site builder, contact form. If you want to select emoji optimization, catch e-commerce, you can select. So better select this one, caching. And if you want AI chatbot also, you can select. Now click import website, click start import. So it will start to import the demo site. It will take around 2 to 5 minutes depending on your internet and the hosting speed. Okay, once the import is complete, you will get following message: import complete, enjoy your site. It will ask you a detailed email. I'm just a beginner and give for myself. Submit and view site. Wow, you can see all the debug contents have been imported nicely. You may wonder that first featured post with the features image is not appearing. Just a hello world post is appear. This is a default sample post. Let's see how to remove this one. Again, go to the WordPress dashboard. Click. Let's open this in a new dashboard. Go to the posts and click all posts. Here you can see the default hello world post is appearing as the latest one. So you can remove that one. Click trash. Now let's come back to your main website. Let's refresh this. Now you can see the featured post with the featured images appearing. So if you want to edit this pages and menu items, you can see once you click open opinion, you can see the opinions are available here. Once you click news, the news items are appearing like this. Once you click contact, the contact items are appearing like this. Contact page, contact form, those things are appearing. So if you want to remove some unnecessary items, and if you want to add some any other items, again go back to the dashboard. In the dashboard, click appearance, then click menus. So by default the footer links are selected, so you have to select the primary menu. So click this one and click this primary menu, then select. Now you can see the primary menu items are available here. So if you don't want to give this opinion, you can just click this arrow icon and click remove. So it will automatically remove the item. And if you want to rearrange the menu item, you can just drag and drop like this. You can just drag and drop like this, or else if you want to keep same place, you can keep like this. And if you want to add some other pages, you can click this view all. So is there any other additional page, you can add here. For this website, let's keep things simple. So just keep these 3 pages and click save menu. Once you come back and refresh the site, you can see the opinion menu item is gone. So let's go to the home page. Okay, if you want to edit this header and these foot items, you can click this customize, or else again you can go back to the dashboard and go to appearance and click customize. Both ways you can reach that. So once you click customize, so let's click this global. Here you can edit the container, color background, content sidebar, those kind of things you can edit here. Once you click header, you can see header top, that is this part. Header top is editable. So once you click that one, you can see full width content, you can edit that layout, and style, you can edit the style with colors, those kind of things very easily you can edit. And header main, you can see with content, you can edit these containers, and header bottom and mobile sidebar, those kind of things you can edit easily here. If you want to change the logo, click this change logo. Here I just given my website title web ideas. If you want to add another title like news blog, it will change the title. If you want to give the site icon, you can upload the site icon image. So those kind of things you can do here very easily. Okay, let's edit the footer. Click footer. You can see there are 3 columns available, 1, 2, 3, and you can see there are footer 1, 2, 3. So these 3 columns are marked here. So once you click this footer 1, you can see this is the follow the paper. So these letters are in white color. That's what it is not visible here. Once you select this one, you can see it's appearing nicely. So you can edit this one. So once you click this Instagram, you can give the Instagram link like that. You can give, and you can change the color as well. Similarly for this, just click this one, this footer 2. Again, you can select. You can see the all items are in white color. That's why it's not appearing here. So you can edit these things. And if you want to edit this front page, you can just click this edit page. So this is editable using the auto blocks. Once you click here, you can edit each category. You can see you can edit. It's similar to the WordPress Gutenberg editor, easily editable. And if you want to edit the post, and if you want to create post categories, again go to the WordPress dashboard, go to posts, click all posts. So here you can edit already available post with your word. You can click this edit and you can edit your word with your word. If you want to add a new post, you can click this add post and you can add. And if you want to change the post categories, you can click this categories, and here you can see add any other post and rename the post. This is the editor's pick, only one category, so you can add many categories as you want. So this is the simple demonstration on how to import the Neve free themes. There are more than 100 available, and you can edit easily with WordPress Gutenberg editors, and most of the templates are supported with Elementor. This bug news is not supported, but other main templates are supported with Elementor editor. So please subscribe my channel and stay with me for new tutorials. Thank you.